I'm Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts, St. Louis. We are going to attempt to put some seat covers on for a customer. We're going to go over a little short video on how we slip on the seat covers, how they go over the factory seats. We take the seats off, we'll put them on a bench, and we have these covers right here that will go over each one of them, and then we'll staple them. We'll show you how everything goes. In tools, you're going to need a staple gun, arrow. You'll need a staple remover and staples. They're going to be the T50s that'll fit whatever gun you use. You want them to fit. Normally we use the 1/2-inch staples that'll go in this. You'll need some tools to take like the arms off. So we'll basically take the arms off. You'll want to take all this outer edge off, and then you want to also take this off, the hinges, your seat hinges. This is going to be the slip-on cover. It's going to look like this. You can clean it up if you do get it a little bit dirty, but this is what it's going to look like. There's 3 screws. These guys have them kind of, you gotta have to kind of find them through the foam here. The corner's even. Once you're pretty much in the center, you're gonna line it up as best you can as far as the center and the ends. Yep. That's basically how you're gonna need to stretch it as you go. And don't staple your fingers. You can cut off any excess. The ends is where you're going to really need to pull. And here you'll want to trim all this down with a razor. Trim off the excess. You don't need that much on there. Trim that down a little bit. Pretty much of this off. And watch your fingers on the razor too. Okay. All right, that's it.